Cells. We will review cell structure, transport through plasma membranes, protein synthesis, and cell division. Cells are the smallest units of life. Over 200 types of cells are in the human body. Cells have a membrane, contents, and genetic material. The cell or plasma membrane covers the cell. It's composed of lipids, like phospholipids, steroids, like cholesterol, and proteins, like this channel protein, receptor proteins, or identifiers. Plasma membranes are either barriers or allow the transport of substances in or out of the cell. This is based on size, type, and charge of given molecules. This is why plasma membranes are known as being selectively permeable. The cytoplasm, or the cell's contents, contains 75 to 90% water. It contains organelles, which are tiny organs in the cytoplasm. Cellular organelles include the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, lysosomes, and ribosomes. And many others. The largest of the organelles is the nucleus. And like the cell, has a membrane surrounding contents and genetic material. This genetic material is known as a chromosome and is made of the molecule known as DNA. There are 46 chromosomes in human body cells and 23 in human sex cells. Along with DNA, the nucleolus, made out of proteins and RNA, plays a role in protein synthesis. The organelles of manufacture include ribosomes, the endoplasmic reticulum, both rough and smooth, and the Golgi complex. Ribosomes are the site for protein synthesis and make the endoplasmic reticulum rough. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is for lipid synthesis, where Golgi complexes sort, modify, and package both lipids and proteins. The cytomembrane system is a cell process involving cellular organelles that carry out protein synthesis and transport proteins out of the cell. In the nucleus, a section of DNA is copied into RNA. RNA is used to assemble amino acids into proteins at ribosomes. Proteins are transported by vesicles from the rough ER to the Golgi. The Golgi moves final proteins from the secretory vesicles to the cell membrane for export. Lysosomes, containing proteins made in the same way that was just described, stay within the cell, and these digestive proteins may be used to destroy defective organelles in the cell. Mitochondria are the sites of aerobic cellular respiration. A mitochondrion takes sugar molecules, which are broken, and uses those parts to manufacture ATP, which is the molecule that's the usable energy of the cell. The cytoskeleton are networks of protein fibers, such as microtubules, microfilaments, and centrioles, cilia, and flagella that help move organelles in the cell, separate chromosomes, transport materials on the outside of the cell or the cell itself, in the case of cilia or flagella.